What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of knife stuff and etc. Today we're going to be doing a video on the Vortex. Now this is a karambit tutorial that I've been trying to make for a very long time. There have been a lot of complications throughout it all. It first started with the first karambit that I had when I made those first two karambit videos. I lost that karambit. So then I bought another one and I ended up selling that karambit so I couldn't make a video. And then I bought another one and I actually lost that one too. So then I bought another one. So now we're gonna be making the video with this karambit. So let's get right into it. So first I'm gonna show you what the Vortex is, and then you can judge if you wanna learn it. So basically this is the Vortex. It's very simple, it's not very hard, it does look cool, and it does help a lot in your combos. You can just add it to like pretty much any combo, just make the combo look a lot better. So basically this is how it goes. It just like that. That's the Vortex. Now with the Vortex you can add, there's different ways to do it. You can twist the knife a little bit more, like that. You can do like extra rotations. You can add like other karambit combos to it from like my other videos. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your knife, right? And you're going to want to hold it this way. You're going to want to flip it over your fingers and move your hand like that. Let it go down, and then you're going to want to push your fingers back and push the knife back up, right? When you do that motion, it does like a vortex, right? So you want to take your knife, make sure it's sideways, fling it around your fingers, twist your hand while you do that, right? So you're going to want to fling the knife while you twist your hand, then you let the knife go down, and then you let it flip back up. So that is the Vortex right there. So with the Vortex, normally what you would do is you would do it like this. Or you can add like the other stuff to it. And I'll add a slow-mo right here. Alright, well thank you guys for watching this simple karambit tutorial. I hope you guys liked the video. I'm going to be making more karambit tutorials soon. I'm going to be making more tutorials on other knife tricks. I'm going to be doing some butterfly knife tricks. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I'm going to be doing some more videos on just random shit and how to do it. So hopefully you guys are excited for that. I am definitely excited for it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.